Here now with Tom Biedebach. He is the West Coast Sales Manager for Cavagna North America. Did I say that right?
Sure, yeah, come the Western Territory, everything west of Mississippi.
All right, perfect. And what would be some of the typical products that a distributor would buy from Cavagna?
Cavagna is the world's largest valve manufacturer. So we make high pressure cylinder valves, propane cylinder valves, tank valves. We also make a full line of integrated valve regulator combos for industrial and medical use, as well as a new line of high pressure regulators.
Cool. And of all the things that you guys do, I'm sure the distributors know a lot about it. What do you think would be something you could point to that maybe they don't know about you?
Well, not only are we operating in 15 different factories in 11 countries, it's all family owned.
Wow, how about that? Talk about the value that you guys bring aside from just the products. I mean, everybody could sell a valve, but what kind of value do you guys bring aside from just the products?
Well, one of the distinct advantages of dealing with Cavagna is that you're buying direct from the manufacturer. You're not going through distribution, so there's a cost savings involved.
I love that. How about if there's anything you want to talk to the distributors that didn't make it to Philadelphia, anything in your booth that you want to show off, what would you show them if they were here?
I'd absolutely want to show them the Oh, thanks. Yep. Show them the iViper valve regulator combo that I was talking about. Integrated solution so that you don't have to have separate regulators, as well as our medium duty and heavy duty regulator line that's new for the industry.
All right, there you have it. Great update here from Tom. We appreciate everything that you guys do for us. Always great to see you and Dave, even though he's not here today. Shout out to Dave. What's up? Always good to see you guys here at GAWDA, and appreciate everything that you do for us. Thank you so much.
Appreciate your time.
All right.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.